Hello friends, a quick job update. Cognizant is seeking a system engineer with 0 to 4 years of experience. If you are holding BE BTech any bachelor's degree, then you are eligible to apply. The candidate should have experience with the troubleshooting, hardware and software issues, and excellent communication skills, and should have knowledge of IT policies, procedure and security protocols. The candidate should have experience in service desk operations and should comfortable working in a rotational shift models. Check description to get an apply link and share this video with your friends who are searching for a job. And subscribe this page for more job updates.